Are you interested in finally tackling socks, learning about socks, getting better at knitting socks, or join into an incredible opportunity? I am here to introduce to you Sock School. Hello friends and welcome. I'm so beyond thrilled and excited to share with you a project that I have been working on in the background with some of my amazing friends. I am introducing Sock School. So what is Sock School? Sock School is going to be 1 month long for the month of March, from March 1st to March 31st, and it is going to include 4 incredible classes from some teachers, as well as 4 live office hours. Sock School is meant to help you in your sock knitting journey, no matter where you are. Now, I do recommend that you at least try to knit a pair of socks, because Sock School is not on how to knit a pair of socks, but it is helping you in your sock knitting journey. If you are wanting to learn how to knit some socks, I will put some resources down below for you. Now, Sock School is going to be focused on 4 main aspects. We have amazing knitting teachers that are going to come and teach. All of these classes, as well as live office hours, are included in your fee of Sock School. Okay, so it is going on sale right now for $97 US, includes everything. You're also going to get a virtual goodie bag, access to 4 live classes, as well as 4 live office hours, and we're going to be having some prizes. You'll have community access all month long to really chat with others and ask your sock knitting questions. All of this is included. Now, price will be going up February 15th, so if you haven't snagged your spot yet, please click the link below and snag it, because the price will be going up. Sock School is meant to be really fun, low pressure, and low stress. Each week, we are going to be featuring a new class with a teacher, and also later that week having that office hours. Now, we do know everyone has their own schedule, depending on time zones and your work. So the classes will be held during the day. They are also all recorded. The first class will be with me on sock knitting tips and tricks. We're going to be going over some fun sock knitting tips and tricks and helping you in your sock knitting journey before we get started. We will be having a live office hour. Now, what's an office hour, you may wonder? It is going to be every week with that same knitting teacher to be able to ask your knitting questions. So let's say that you've either attended the class live or weren't able to attend it live and have some questions. This is a place where you can come together, knit with other makers, and ask any type of question. These will also be recorded and posted live in the group. The office hours will always be held later that week at 7:30 p.m. EST, and the classes will be held between 1 to 2 p.m. EST. So those are going to be those different time zones, and we hope that we can try and accommodate as many as possible. We do know that not every single time zone, so that is why all of these classes are recorded and you are able to watch all of them. All of the replays will be made available for you to rewatch. You can comment and ask your questions. The second week is going to be with the incredible Jamie of Pacific Co Knits, who's going to be coming to do a fun color work for some socks. I'm really excited to have Jamie come on the platform, and she will be explaining all of her fun class. Now, this one, we will also be having a office hours later that week on Friday night, where you can come and ask Jamie any of those questions. Week number 3, we are going to be having the incredible Denise of Earth Tones Girl, who will be talking everything sock knitting heels. Now, we've tackled sock knitting tips and tricks, you've tackled color work, now we're going to be going into the heels. You can see how Sock School progresses and gives you different type of aspects of where and what you may need for your socks. All of these classes are going to be very different, but will help you in your sock knitting journey. Again, we're going to be having that live office hours that Friday night at 7:30 p.m. EST. The 4th week is going to be something super fun and cool, and honestly, going to be one of my classes that I will be listening in on. Is going to be Deb Buckingham of Knit On Designs, and she is going to be coming to chat about how to take photography of your finished product and socks. This is one of those that I am really excited, because we tend to be able to knit things, but how do you do a flat lay? How do you do certain things? Deb is a professional photographer and will be coming with all of her expertise. Hers will not be a class, but will more be a Q&A type of platform for her her first class, and then again for her office hours are going to be on that Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. EST. Now, why on the Wednesday, not the Friday? I will be teaching at Knit City, Toronto at the end of March, so I'm going to be traveling on those 2 days. I will still be available all throughout the entire month. You can come and chat. There is going to be a private community where you can post your questions, post your progress, ask all of it. Everything is included, friends, for you. This is meant to be a platform where you can come and chat and gain all of the access. After March 1st or after February 28th, our doors will be closing and you will not be able to purchase Sock School until the coming fall. The reception from you guys has been absolutely amazing and incredible, so we will be redoing this in the fall in October. If this doesn't meet your budget criteria, friends, come join us this fall. We are going to be having the same classes with the same teachers. We've gone over that you're going to have an amazing community. We're going to have 4 live teachers come and teach some incredible classes, as well as live office hours. Now that's 8 Zooms in the entire month. You don't have to attend all of these, but they are available for you. We also are going to have a virtual goodie bag that is going to maybe include some fun patterns, include some fun handouts for you. All of that's going to be included. We're going to have some prizes throughout the month if you can come and join in on the Zooms, as well as for posting in the group. Last but not least, this would not be completed without including some fun yarn. I reached out to my friend Maggie of Yarnacious, who I've collabed with a ton in the past, and she has come up with not 1, but 3 different sock sets that are all inspired by spring for our sock school. Included in this, you'll also be receiving a fun exclusive sock pattern knit in one of these for Sock School that is designed by me. So that is also included in your bundle. So if all of the classes weren't enough, you're getting everything on top of a fun exclusive sock knitting pattern that won't be released out to the public. All of these 3 sock sets are available through her shop, but if you are a Sock School member, you'll be getting 20% off coupon code for these sock sets. So let me show all of these 3 to you. We first have this one, which is a beautiful pink and has these 3 minis. Really, really pretty. I will put all of the names and the links to each one of these sock sets and Maggie's shop. All of these are on her Salta fingering, which is a 85% superwash merino wool and a 15% nylon. It's 437 yards per 100 grams, and each mini is a 20-gram mini for 87 yards. Absolutely beautiful. So if you love some pinks, this one might be for you. We have this one, which is stunningly like a beautiful, like a dark lilac. So, so pretty. You'll see these are just absolutely gorgeous. The same base, the same fiber content as the other one. So that is another sock set. And the last one, I do not have a favorite. I do like this one though. It is such a beautiful green. I'm obsessed with green lately and I don't know why. And have these. I say I don't have a favorite, but this one might be. So let me know below which one's your favorite, which one you really, really love. And these are going to be available. So they are available in her shop if you just want to go and purchase. But if you are a Sock School member, you'll get 20% off of these sock sets. You don't need to purchase these to join Sock School. You don't need to purchase these to be able to knit up the pattern. You can do any. We just thought it would be fun to have some yarn inspired by Sock School for this round. Now, if you're wondering where Sock School is happening, it is all happening on my Mighty Networks platform. It is actually a private group just for Sock School. You do not need to be a member of the Twin Stitchers community. But if you are, you actually get, I want to say that it was a 30% off coupon code. So it definitely, it is worth it if you are a Twin Stitcher member. You will be able to access everything there. We have an events tab where you can add it to your calendars, your Google Calendar, our private community chatter thread. You can post things there. It's very user-friendly and all of those are accessible there. Now I'm just checking my notes to make sure I didn't forget anything. The price again is about 130 Canadian and it comes to approximately with the exchange 97 US. That price will be going up on February 15th. So if you want to snag a spot, make sure to go right now while the price is low. Please keep in mind, yes, it's 97 US, but you get access to 4 classes, 4 live office hours on top of the classes, goodie bags, patterns, coupon codes, like everything's included in there for you, friends. A private community, access to these teachers, that is so much value for everything that's coming for you guys. So I hope you're excited as much as I am. If you are knitting toe up or cuff down, both are welcome. I know that's gonna be a question. Are the pattern, I design my pattern both toe up and cuff down, so it does not matter what type of way that you knit socks. Every single knitter is welcome. Every single level of knitter is welcome. We just want you to be able to knit up a pair of socks, know the construction basics of a sock. But if you tried and it didn't really work and you're not really sure why, come on in and come and join us. All right, that is everything that I had to share about Sock School. I hope you're excited and I hope you will come and join us this round of Sock School. Let us know down below if you do come and join, if you did sign up, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help you out and answer any and all of the questions that you may have. All right, friends, that's it for me today. I am gonna be coming back to you guys actually in a little bit with a fun knitting podcast. I'm slowly getting into the swing of things, and I can't wait to come back and chat with you all. So I'll see you guys again soon. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and let me know down below what you thought about Sock School. Happy knitting, friends, and have a wonderful and fantastic day. Bye.